Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Rashmi Ali again. So as we age, our face starts to go downwards, all the muscles start to relax and the eyes start getting pulled. We start getting the square face over here, the fat starts to build up because the muscles are receding downwards and our face starts, looking saggy, the wrinkles show up. The collagen production reduces and that's why our muscles cannot hold it up like this. So we need to start taking care of ourselves. We need to start doing yoga, exercise, facial exercises, facial yoga, massage, derma rolling. There's many things that we have to start doing in order to keep ourselves looking the best, or at least looking younger than our age. Personally, I would like to look like I'm 40 when I'm actually 60, and I do know a couple of friends who do look like that. So that's my goal, that's the way I'm going, and I would like to take you on my journey along with me. Maybe I can inspire some of you to start taking care of yourself, to start doing all these anti-aging remedies and rituals and looking good for yourself. So today I'll be showing you a technique which is called face cupping. And what face cupping does for you is it will lift your muscles. Basically, it's a face massage with some tools which look like this. So these are the cups, these are the face cups. They come in, the ones that I have, they come in 2 sizes. These do come in bigger sizes for the body as well. You can do it all over your body, but these are the ones meant for the face. I got these off of Amazon. They're available everywhere, so you can get these. And with the help of these tools, we can start doing the exercise, the face massage, and it will lift our face. Especially if you have an event to go to and you want to look all glowy and pink and rosy, you can do this right before your makeup. It really helps. It lifts up your face, it takes away the puffiness, it gives you a very nice glow. So today I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, face is clean. I have nothing on my face, it's washed. The next thing you're gonna need is some oil or some kind of a moisturizer. If you're an oily girl and you don't want to put oil on your face, then you can try to do this with aloe vera gel. It will keep on drying, so you will have to keep on reapplying the aloe vera gel because we need something for a slip. Because what we're going to do is we're going to create a suction and then pull. So we don't want to pull our skin and cause more wrinkles and lines, reversing whatever benefit we're going to give ourselves. So we need some kind of a slip on our skin. So we need to have some kind of oil. If you're oily, you can use aloe vera gel or hyaluronic acid. You will have to keep reapplying it, but that's the way you can do it. Or if you're like me, who has more on the drier side, skin on the drier side, you can use any oil of your choice. Almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil, whatever oil suits you. My favorite is Moroccan argan oil. This is 100% pure oil from myGlamUSA. This is my brand and you can find it on my website. I'll link it below, www.myglamusa. Argan oil is very, very lightweight in texture. It's non-comedogenic, which means that it doesn't clog pores. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a few drops of this oil on our skin. This is a very lightweight oil. It's non-sticky, so it feels really good. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're not going to just make a suction and start pulling on our face. First, we're going to prep the skin. We're just going to wake up the skin a little bit. So for that, we are going to press these, okay? Create a suction and go like this. Now what we will do is we'll start from the lower part of our face, create the suction and slowly pull the skin up. You can do this about 5 to 6 times. And don't worry, the suction is not very hard that it's gonna give you a bruise or anything. It lets go of itself very easily. In the end, we're just gonna take the drainage and bring it down our lymph nodes like this 3 times. Our lymph nodes are all over spread out over here, so we're just gonna try to drain all the puffiness, the water retention and everything, all the fluid retention. If you have a sinus problem, if you have a cold or congestion, this really works for that as well. So once we're done, the only thing you need to do is just wash these with regular soap and water and let them dry out, and then just store them in a safe place, and make sure that they're clean before you use it on your face, and make sure your face is also clean before you start this process. 2 to 3 times a week is the minimum. I don't believe there is any side effects of doing this. The only thing you're gonna get out of it is lifted and plumped up face, glowing skin, and especially if you have to go out for an event, shave your face before you put on your makeup and do this massage, and then do your makeup, and then you will see the difference. And I hope this was helpful to you. Please do let me know down below in the comments if you try it and how you like it. And until next time, take care. Bye-bye.